In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a base in Airtable. To get started, open Airtable in your web browser. This is where you'll create and organize your information, whether you're building a project tracker, a content calendar, a client list, or any other kind of database. Make sure you're signed into your Airtable account so you can access the main workspace area. Once you're on the Airtable home screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. In that sidebar, you'll find the Create option near the lower section. Go ahead and click Create. This is the starting point for making a new base, and Airtable places it here, so it's easy to begin building something from scratch or from one of its available options. After clicking Create, you'll be presented with the next set of choices. At this point, select the option shown on your screen to continue creating the base. This step is where Airtable moves you from the general creation menu into the setup flow for your new base. Depending on your account layout or current version of Airtable, the menu may appear slightly different, but the process is the same. Choose the appropriate creation option to proceed. As you go through this, it helps to remember what a base actually is. In Airtable, a base is like a flexible container for your information. Inside it, you can later create tables, fields, records, and views that fit your workflow. So even though creating the base itself only takes a moment, this is an important foundation for everything you'll build afterward. A good tip here is to think ahead about what the base will be used for before you start adding data. Having a clear purpose makes it much easier to structure your tables correctly later on. Even a simple plan can save time and help keep your workspace organized, and that's all it takes to begin creating a base in Airtable. You start by going to Airtable, click Create from the left side of the screen, and then choose the appropriate option to move forward with the base setup. Once that's done, you will be ready to continue customizing your base to match your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.